National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Bolivar Peninsula, Oregon, 16 miles southeast of Beach City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include High Island and Bolivar Peninsula. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.